using science to encourage thinking skills. To develop a lifelong love of learning, children need to be inspired to ask questions about the world they live in and to be excited by new discoveries. Science can inspire children to wonder and experiment. It encourages children to learn how things work or to mix things together and to make guesses about outcomes. Science develops curiosity. We see children turning a truck upside down and exploring how the wheels work and how to make them turn. Science can answer the questions they ask. Why is the sky blue? Will an item float or sink in water? And science provides excitement, from building volcanoes in the sandpit to the reaction of geysers made from soft drinks, inspiring children to learn more. Teaching science should come from questions children ask. Why does it rain? And from questions you ask. What will happen if we do this? Simple experiments such as will it float or will it sink allow children to pick items and be directly engaged in discovering the outcome. Involve children by having them choose experiments from books or the internet. Build on their knowledge by using intentional teaching. Explain what happened and answer their questions. Children learn when they practice a skill, so let them repeat experiments over and over. Ask questions and give them responsibilities. The key to using science to build a lifelong love of learning is to involve children from beginning to end. The approach is the same with babies. Ask questions. What is the truck doing, or why is the wheel turning? Then listen, observe, and allow them to lead the process. Provide explanations in simple language and allow them to be involved and excited in their earliest science play. Outcome 4 of the Early Years Learning Framework discusses how children will use creativity, solve problems, and form their own theories as they explore their world. It also discusses the importance of conceptual knowledge and how children can transfer new concepts and ideas into other areas of learning. You might see it in play as they create their own experiments, or in the way they respond to the next experiment you offer. The framework also considers teaching practices, such as intentional teaching, which is the act of helping a child reach a higher level of thinking or knowledge. Science is full of concepts that will assist a child's understanding of the world they live in through the experiments you teach. It's a great resource for intentional teaching. There are many experiments to be found online. Have you ever mixed lemonade and Mentos mints to make a geyser or created a volcano in the sandpit? These experiments generate squeals of delight and help kickstart a preschool interest in science. Look up the different ways you can do these and ask the children for feedback as you go. They will often alter an experiment or suggest their own twist. Science teaches children about the world we live in. It promotes curiosity and provides excitement. Use intentional teaching to help children learn and build on their conceptual knowledge. Involve them from beginning to end and go online with them to find new experiments to learn from.